Hello friends, you want to have fun preparing for test type questions on quadratic equations? I have some for you. Let's get to it. For our first example, find the truth set of x minus 1 equals 12 over x. That is, x minus 1 equal to 12 over x. We begin by multiplying both sides of the equation by x, and this gives us x bracket x minus 1 equal to 12. And when we open the bracket, we have x squared minus x equal to 12. And we collect all the terms to one side, and we have x squared minus x minus 12 equal to 0. And we have a quadratic equation. Now factorizing this equation results to x plus 3 times x minus 4 equal to 0. This means that x will be equal to minus 3 or 4. So the truth set will be a set containing the elements minus 3 and 4. Now let's take another example. Given that 5 and minus 2 over 5 are the roots of the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, find a, b, and c. So to get a, b, and c, we first have to find the equation. Now we are told that the roots are 5 and minus 2 over 5. So if x is the variable, it means that x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 2 over 5. Now if x is equal to 5, it means that x minus 5 is equal to 0. And if x is equal to minus 2 over 5, it means that 5x is equal to minus 2 and 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we multiply both results and we have x minus 5 times 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So opening the brackets, we have 5x squared plus 2x minus 25x minus 10 equal to 0. And collecting like terms, we have 5x squared minus 23x minus 10 equal to 0. And now that we have the equation, we can identify a, b, and c. And from this equation, we can see that a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 23, and c is equal to minus 10. Now let's take our last example. Adding 15 to twice a given positive number gives the square of the number. Find the number. Now, since we don't know what the number is, we'll say let the number be x. Now, the question says that adding 15 to twice the number gives the square of the number. Therefore, if the square of the number is x squared will be equal to 2x plus 15 because we're adding 15 to twice the number. Now let's collect everything to one side of the equality sign. This gives us x squared minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Factorizing this equation, we have x squared minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. And then factorizing the first two terms and the last two terms, we now have x bracket x minus 5 plus 3 bracket x minus 5 equal to 0. Going further, we have x minus 5 times x plus 3 equal to 0. This means that either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. And what this means that x is either equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 3. Now, since the question said that we are dealing with a positive number, it means that x is equal to 5. That means the given number is 5. Now, that is where we are going to end this lesson. But then, we are going to do it again in another lesson. Make sure you stay around.